1,740 pounds.
What'd they give you for?
Come out to 104. I don't know. What do you? Can you see it? That'll pay for my exhaust. You can't beat free money. We worked for it though.
That, man.
All right, folks, we're done at the scrapyard. Total was 104. Split 50-50. And
8580.
8 cents a pound.
Oh, jump shooting that.
Yeah, probably 7 cents a pound, huh?
That's like 60 cents a pound.
6 cents a pound?
60?
No, it ain't never 60 a pound.
It's got to be 6 cents a pound.
Yeah, it's got to be 6 cents a pound. Anyway, folks, thank you for watching my videos. And stay tuned. There's more Super Duty scrapyard adventures coming up. And we'll keep you informed. Got anything to say to the viewers, Tony?
No, we did it again.
We did it, people. You going back home?
Yeah.
Or no, we're going to lunch.
Yeah, you buying it?
We're going to lunch, people. I got to buy lunch. Damn it.